Your favorite AI video generator became way too expensive? There's a platform that still gives you 20 videos a day for free. That's over 500 a month, plus a bunch of powerful tools for editing and improving your results. While this offer is still available, you should take full advantage of it. We've tested everything this service can do, and we'll show you how to make it work. Because there's one trick you absolutely need, or it simply won't work. Dreamina is an AI generation tool originally launched as part of the popular video editor CapCut. It lets you generate images and videos from text or pictures completely free, and even animate characters with lip sync that matches the voice. If you believe that even lifeless pixels can turn into something beautiful, fun, and a little weird, you're in the right place. You'll find the link to Dreamina in the video description. Important: some features, or even the entire service, might not be available in your region. Luckily, that's easy to fix with a VPN. If you're not sure what that is or how to use one, we've prepared a simple guide for you. The link is also in the description. For registration, we use Turkey as the VPN location. You can also try the United States, the United Kingdom, Singapore, South Korea, or Japan. Once you're on the site, your credit counter should show 0. If you see a different number, you've landed on a plan that gives a small number of daily credits. No worries, just switch to another country and use a different email. So, we've registered, and our credit counter shows 0. Let's take a look at the most interesting features the platform offers. We've tested them all for you. Dreamina's interface is modern, easy to use, and responsive across different screen sizes. Right away, you'll notice that the main focus is on the generation panel. This is the core tool for creating content. It includes all the modes and settings in one place. To explore it in more detail, let's go to the Create section, where the panel is free of distracting visual clutter. As you can see, the prompt panel is located at the bottom of the page. Above it, in a layout that resembles a chat, you'll see the generated results. This is where your images and videos appear. The first drop-down menu lets you choose a mode: AI image, AI video, or AI avatar. Depending on what you select, the available generation settings will change accordingly. Let's start with the first mode. It allows you to create images from either text or a visual reference. We'll begin with text-to-image generation. Enter your prompt, choose a model, set the aspect ratio, and start generating. After a minute, you'll get 4 variations. The image preview window offers a wide range of options. You can download the image, delete it, use it to generate a video, enhance it, edit it, and more. Here are a few more examples of images we created using different prompts and settings. Next, we move on to image generation using a reference. In this case, along with the text prompt, you provide a sample image. You can choose which elements to use from it: character, face, object, pose, and so on, and adjust how much the image influences the final result. The rest of the settings stay the same. Here are the results, and a few more examples. The next mode is video generation. Just like with image creation, you have 2 options here. One generates video from an image, the other from text. Let's start with the first one. Upload an image that will serve as the starting frame for the video. For now, we'll leave the text prompt field empty. Choose a model and set the duration, 5 or 10 seconds. Click the Generate button. The process takes a few minutes. Once it's done, you'll get the final video. When you open it, you'll see a set of options and tools for further use and animation enhancement. Some of them will look familiar, while others are new. Pay special attention to the frame rate and resolution enhancement options. They'll definitely come in handy. You can also add a text prompt to the image. Just describe the action or motion you want and start a new generation. The result matches the prompt quite well. Now let's create a video from text only. We'll leave the image field empty and enter a description of what we want to see. The settings are almost the same as for image-based generation. The only addition is selecting the video aspect ratio. Click Generate, and here's the result. What do you think of the quality? Here are a few more videos generated from different images and text prompts. But that's not all Dreamina has to offer. The third generation mode unlocks another interesting feature, AI Avatar. It lets you create a video where a character appears to be speaking based on a text script or audio input. First, upload an image that will become the avatar's face. Then choose the voice input. You can either type in a text script or upload your own audio file. If you go with text, you'll have access to more than 20 voices, both male and female. Enter your text, choose a voice, listen to the preview.
It would be strange if I started talking, but I guess it already
And
happened.
if everything sounds right, click Add. Next, choose the generation mode. The first one creates more realistic movements and includes an animated background. The second one works faster but with lower detail. Start the generation. Here's what the result looks like.
It would be strange if I started talking, but I guess it already happened.
A bit robotic in our opinion, but overall, it gets the job done. Among Dreamina's extra but useful tools, there's also Canvas. It's a kind of visual editor where you can upload graphic elements and combine them into complex scenes. You can edit images or create new ones, either from a text prompt or by using existing visuals. Here you'll find many familiar tools: detail replacement and correction, outpainting, retouching, quality enhancement, and background removal. Layering is supported as well. It's a flexible way to transform images, and with just a bit of practice, it can become a powerful tool for both work and creativity. Once you've created enough images and videos, navigating the results feed can get a bit messy. That's where the Assets section comes in, your personal library of all your projects. Images, videos, and Canvas materials are neatly organized into separate tabs. You can quickly preview, sort, download, or delete them, and even apply batch actions. Now, our honest impressions. Dreamina really surprised us in a good way, most of all with the quality of its images and videos, and the fact that if set up correctly, you can use the service almost for free. While it's not unlimited, we were able to generate around 20 videos or several dozen images per day. Images are generated in about a minute, while videos take a few minutes. During peak hours, though, delays can reach up to an hour. Content moderation isn't particularly strict. A big plus is the wide range of tools, many of which are only available on paid plans with other platforms. But there are downsides too, like the watermark on content, the lack of clear information about usage limits, and, of course, the question of whether the service will stay this generous in the future. What you've seen in this video is just an overview of what Dreamina can do. We've only skimmed the surface of many useful settings and tools. To truly understand how everything works, we'll need separate in-depth videos, and probably more than one. So be sure to let us know in the comments what caught your interest the most. We'll keep it in mind for future episodes. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss them. Plus, it would really make our day.